Hainohai Kokdishal Sharigo RoutineChecking khlaimaniJorao TR05F038 Tomarini KhungsaMalkhungo Mankha50Bottle cough SyrubTei 400Bakol YabaTablet Abuni oglo party mungo KhungsaMalkhungo arrest khlaika Tormonogar Thanani police Mankha Mia
Hello.
Shalbruno Thaglia Fekmuni Mani Khani Ramzangmani Eba Fekmuni Pania Kleinero Ramzangmani Koktuma Kasai Faimani Koktishal SyrubTei Tormonogor Thanani Bisingo Khobjak Anando Bazar SPU Kemni Stabrok RoutineChecking khlaimaniJorao TR05F038 Tomarini KhungsaMalkhungo checking Mankha50Bottle cough SyrubTei 400Bakol YabaTablet Party mungo KhungsaMalkhungo arrest khlaika Tormonogar Thanani police Mankha Mia
Today, Dharmano PS received civil information that there was some drugs contraband being transported. So, Dharmano PS they have set up on Naka, Nandabazar Naka. They have stopped the vehicle. Based on this, we have seen that we have seized 50 concealed bottles and 4,000 YabaTablets. So, we have also arrested one person. One vehicle is there. We have seized one vehicle, which is an Alto 800 TR05F0382. So, and NDPS case will be registered, and investigation will be started to determine where it is coming from and to whom will it be transported.
Sir, jaake dhorichen tar naam?
His name is Helal Mia, 28 years old.
Paithago NDPS Kerongo Affair Khlaijaka Helal Mia ni mungoi party mungno tiye chaitu gunaitu mungo onkhorjak tabok Tormonogar Thanani police. Bureau report Chini Khorang.